Well, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We have here SolarCity on your screen, $58.30. Well, this corresponds to my target for the day. We are selling the remaining and the majority of shares in SolarCity, upgrade to strong buy at $26, doubling the size of the investment position at $28.30, $28 and a half. And today, taking profits in SolarCity, I think it is a good idea. I wish you good luck going forward as an investor in SolarCity, but we are happy with the results. My price target on the stock was merely $60. We are close to it, and the price target $60 was for 2016. So the stock forecast that I made available to you as an investor, and these 3 weeks ago, these shares, they zoomed more than 120%, one of the best stock market performers in 2015. And this after betting in the collapse of SolarCity, $80 in the past year and a half, all the way down to a target price that also disclosed on the blog of the company, $33, that proved to be conservative. So we covered the short positions, $28 to 26, and we reversed to the long side, upgrading to strong buy. And this SolarCity, in fact, it was not on the only player. So all the opportunities that I shared here with you, and bear in mind subscribers and non-subscribers. If you were not a subscriber, you had an article on the website when shares of SolarCity trade at $40, so you had plenty of time. The shares are trading at above $58, so you had plenty of time to invest, to buy on the article with a very explicit title, Vieira invests in SolarCity, upgrading to strong buy. So the SolarCity became one of the best stock market performers and the single best performer in its entire sector. And this is very important, corresponds to a very large profit. And I already had the opportunity to disclose at least one review testimonial. Individual that paid platinum within 60 days, he paid for the rest for the next 3 years, trading stocks, and one of them it was precisely SolarCity, and this was ahead of shares. Yesterday moved 34%, 34% in one single session. So the testimonial was made available ahead of that gain, and also ahead of this gain today to new highs as shares they approach $60, and we are selling the remaining position in SolarCity, the team here, as you are aware, here live in real time. So we do things in real time. Yesterday I also had the opportunity to give you, or to offer you, a free trade alert in Apple, and this ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting, and you have all these calls in real time available on the website. And therefore, congratulations to all of you. Going forward, it is just follow the guidance, the real-time guidance that I've been discussing here for 25 years in a row, and this is the difference between us and the rest of competition. We make it happen, and we make the calls ahead of the most important moves in the stock market, and not after the fact. After the fact, everyone is capable of doing it before and knowing which stocks to buy, to invest, and defining very well the priorities. That makes all the difference. And so if you, for example, invested on those stock picks on CNBC, investing in GoPro at $65, a bargain and ahead of a stock market crash, or in Twitter, Ponzi scheme ahead of a stock market crash, that is entirely your problem. My role, it was to, or it has been always, to help you and to maximize and to comprehend how to invest in the market. Not only to tell you which stocks to buy, but explaining, as I did yesterday in the case of Apple, explaining the process step by step. So you have, I leave you here with the quote in SolarCity. with the quote in the Qs, the tech sector. The tech sector that I already addressed for 2016. So you also have a forecast, live trade calls in the tech sector, very important. And therefore I think that I did already all what I had to do. My job for investors, if you are interested in investing in the market going in 2016. If you then wish to have real-time trade alerts, follow-up comments, I believe that a lot of stuff is going to happen in 2016. You have to subscribe to one of our services. We have since, small investors live market standard, live markets premium, then the live streamings and so on, up to hedge funds, investment banks and sovereign funds too. Thank you and good luck once again. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2016 for all of you. And congratulations once again as an investor in SolarCity following my personal guidance in this stock.